Hello children, good morning. I'm here with you with another beautiful storybook. This book, as you can see, it's about this beautiful kitty. What is the name of the book? Is KETH, the cat with the magic hat. The cat with the magic hat. The cat with the magic hat, named KETH, by Sue Hendra. KETH, the cat, was merely minding his own business when whee! What happened? Plop! Ha 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 ha! KETH's got an ice cream stuck on his head, chuckled the other cats. Suddenly KETH felt a little bit shy and a little bit silly. It's not an ice cream, he squealed. It's a magic hat. Yes, that's it, a magic hat. This made the cats laugh even louder. Go on then, show us some magic, they chortled. Poor KETH, what was he going to do? Well, first, he stammered, I need my magic wand. He reached for the chocolatey magic wand on the ground. But what do you think it happened, children? But it started to run away all by itself. Ooh, the cats were amazed. Wow, KETH, you made it move, they gasped. KETH was amazed too, but he didn't say anything. More, the cats cried excitedly. More magic, more. KETH took a deep breath. Then he waved his wand around. Abracadabra! But nothing happened. KETH tried again. Alakazo! Still nothing happened. The cats were getting impatient. They chanted and stamped their feet. More. Wizzy-woo-doo-da, cried KETH. And what do you think has happened? Just then, a whole family of rabbits popped out of the ground. They'd never heard such a noise. KETH, you did it! The other cats cheered. You magicked up some rabbits! Hooray! They were all having such a fun time that they didn't hear a distant woof. Woof, woof, woof. No, woof. Yuckies, a dog! Quick, KETH, quick! Save us! Your magic! The cats squealed in panic. Woof, 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 woof. But of course, KETH couldn't really do magic. What was he going to do? Oh my God, poor KETH. The cats ran up the tree. They looked down at the barking dog. Quick, KETH, do something, save us, they cried. Then, whoops, KETH's magic hat slipped off his head. It was falling quickly through the air. Plop! Oh no! Your magic hat, cried the cats. Now you'll never be able to make the dog disappear. KETH felt terrible. It's not a magic hat, he admitted sadly. You were all right along. It's just an ice cream, and now we are stuck up this tree forever. I'm sorry. But then, the magic will happen. Buzz! Hooray for KETH! Cried the cats. You're magic even without your hat. Thank you, said KETH shyly. And for my next trick, I will make this blob of ice cream on the end of my nose disappear. The cats waited patiently. Then KETH stuck out his tongue and licked it off. Yeah, that's it. Finish. The end. I hope you enjoy reading this beautiful and funny book and glittery book with me. Yeah, it was a glittery book. And you know, it's very good for preschool children, the children that they want to go to school. Yeah, and please tell me if you like this book or not. And don't forget to subscribe and give me thumbs up. Thank you for watching me. Bye. See you soon.